So one of the things that you can do with the images that you have inside of Affinity is go ahead and use the Smudge Brush Tool to smudge the pixels out with each other. So to do that, you simply need to go to the pixel section right here. And over here on the left hand side, you can see that I have this brush section. So click and hold it. And here you can see the Smudge Brush Tool right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can increase the size of the brush right here. And as you click and drag, you can see that it smudges this particular section right here. You can go ahead and click and drag and you can see that it smudges out the pixels right here, just like this. You can smudge it to any direction as you want right here. Just go ahead and swirl it. This is what you have. Go ahead and click and drag it and so forth. You can change around the intensity of the smudge. Go ahead and click and drag and you can see that you get more smudge as you go ahead and do that. You can change around the strength right here, just like this as well, for maximum smudge. Like let's say for example smudge right here. You can go ahead and choose the intensity right here, just like this, and smudge out the pixel to create a sort of a graphics as you wish. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the Smudge Brush Tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.